Cracking YouTube. Welcome back to another video with the House Money Investing channel. In today's video, we're going to go over 12 stocks I just bought into. Bought all these stocks on Cash App, and these are for a swing trade. Basically, I bought fractional shares, so I will let these shares sit for 30 to 90 days, and I'll pull out my principal that I put in, and whatever I made in gains, I'll leave those in the market. Thus far, since June, I'm up $12,000. Haven't lost $1. Hasn't cost me $1. So let's get right into it. We bought $13 worth of a Brazil ETF. This is an iShares fund. Give me a little bit of exposure to some other markets besides the United States stock markets. I'll always like good exposure to other markets like China, Japan, Europe, Canada, etc. It's always good to diversify and get into some of the other foreign countries. And one of the safest ways of doing so is through an ETF. It's kind of like a bundle of shares, so you're not just risking funds on just one particular company, especially not having the best understanding of companies over there, their rules and regulations, such stuff like that. They may be cooking the books or whatever. You never know with these foreign companies. So I like to do ETFs a lot, and it's more of a safe, diverse play. Secondly, we bought $14 worth of Pfizer. Pfizer is a company I already own. I'm doing very well with Pfizer. Pfizer and BioNTech were the first ones to come out with the new vaccines, followed by Moderna. You'll have like CVS and Walgreens making profit off that as well. So Pfizer, swing trading in here, should catch a run up as the vaccines start catching some heat. First they're going to give them out to like first responders, government workers, that such, and then it'll hit the general public. And I should catch a run up, catch some fractional shares of Pfizer just to help build my position. Next, we bought a fractional share of Spirit AeroSystems, and this will be $15 worth. Then we bought a fractional share of the Spider Select Sector Fund. It's an energy select sector ETF, basically, or a fund. We bought $16 worth. Energy is a booming market at the moment, so we should catch a nice little swing trade on this one as well. Then we bought $17 of L Brands. This is their apparel company. They do clothes and all that type of stuff. And with the e-commerce booming like it is, people stuck at home on quarantine, a lot of people are buying, items offline. So, this should also be a nice swing trade for me to build a position here. Next, we got Walgreens. We bought a fractional share, $18 worth of Walgreens. Of course, Walgreens is going to boom from this vaccine. Walgreens is already an outstanding company. It's something I've already swing traded before, some I own long term and on the house money portfolios. And Walgreens just can't beat it. It's one of the major pharmaceutical distributors. So we're gonna catch a swing trade with Walgreens, and it's pretty much a guaranteed profit here. Next, we got $19 worth of Delta. This is a fractional share of Delta. This airline is also going to make a bounce back, along with Spirit, American, and Southwest, in my opinion. With the vaccines coming out, people are going to be traveling. People are tired of being stuck at home. A lot of business attributes are going to be back on board. People are going to start flying to meetings, and then you got the real estate market, and then of course you got like your athletes and everything flying here and there, flying girls in, etc., etc. TSA checkpoint's gonna rise massively, and this company's gonna stop losing so much money. The government keeps bailing them out. They're not gonna let them fail. So this is going to be a good swing trade for me as well, to try to add to the position of Delta that I already have acquired in the past. Then we bought $20 of ExxonMobil. This here is an outstanding dividend paying company. I believe it's a dividend aristocrat, meaning it's been paying its dividend for at least 25 consecutive years. Dividend King has been paying for 50 years or more. So this, I believe, is an aristocrat. They need to be very innovative and come up with new ways of making revenue, since everything is being switched to renewable energy and EVs. So this sector of energy is going to need a revamping, but I still believe in ExxonMobil. It's one of the best stocks in that sector out there. So I'm looking to catch a swing trade. Hopefully I can catch a profit. If not, I will collect some dividends, and I know I won't lose very much, if I lose anything at all. This thing has already been crushed due to the pandemic and the big EV wave, so it's pretty much a low risk play here. Next, we got $21 of Ascend stock, Altria Group, ticker MO. Something I already own, doing very well. I don't care if it's Ascend stock or not. I trade this and Philip Morris PM. They make the cigarettes like Marlboro and all that good stuff. So when it comes down to business, can't take it personal, can't be in your feelings. And I'm going to continue to trade this one as well. Next, we got fractional share of XPeng or XPEV. This is a EV play out of the Chinese market. Tesla, NIO, XPEV. These are the big three right now. So these are three companies that you want to be involved in. Tesla is my biggest gainer of all time. NIO, I'm up, almost 200% in. This is my first time getting in XPEV. I wanted to let the hype die down and see the companies, for what it really was. Get some actual data on the technical analyst sides of things, and look at those charts and the moving averages, and as well as I wanted to get some earnings coming through. That way I can get a nice balance sheet to look at. The fundamentals I do believe in, so that's why I've been watching this company from jump, and now it's time to get in and start swing trading this and build a position here. Then the last trade is going to be, the next to last trade is going to be Boyd Gaming. $23 fractional share worth of Boyd Gaming. This is the company I already own as well. It's doing pretty good. I want to add to my position. It's going to be a nice swing trade. Online gaming, gambling, all that type of stuff is on a rise right now. So you want to get into your gaming stocks and your gambling stocks. So this is just a gaming stock that I've already messed around with. I like it, and they're doing good things, good fundamentals. So of course I'm going to build my position here in this. And the last stock is going to be Vroom. Put in $24 worth. Pretty good business model. So hopefully we can build a position here. With the new year coming around and income tax and stuff like that, and the stimulus, we should see some kind of movement on this company to build a nice position. That'll be it for today's video. If you like it, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell, follow my journey. You can also try my investing strategy. You can use less or more capital that I'm using. You can have less or more time in the market than what I'm having. If you're not down with the strategy, that's fine. You can always look at my tickers and my stock picks, my daily gains. Kind of just follow my journey. I can probably introduce you to some sectors of the markets you haven't seen, or give you some stocks that you haven't seen or that nobody else is talking about, because a lot of times I will do a deep dive, and I have like so many stocks in my Robinhood account. I have over 500 different positions, and I have 8 to 10 brokerages, so the total amount of positions I have, I don't even know, but I'm pretty sure it's a pretty high number. So with that being said, I'm always looking for stuff that nobody else is looking at. So with doing that, I may be able to bring you like a gem or two, maybe a penny stock, a SPAC, a IPO, maybe an older company with great fundamentals, great balance sheets, So like I say, hit the subscribe button, follow my journey. We'll see where it goes from there, and we'll keep building and going. I'm pretty much going to show you how to take a small portfolio and build it up to a massive 6-figure, 7-figure portfolio with great dividends, great growth stock, great value stocks all around the board. And also it's going to be a low risk trading style with me putting in capital and pulling it out, not losing any money, not spending any money, getting free stocks, playing the loopholes in the system, avoiding those taxes and all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one. I will post. I probably won't analyze any stocks today. It's kind of like a day off for me, so I won't be analyzing any stocks. But I will buy 13 more stocks tomorrow, and I'll post that video first thing in the morning.